Okay, guys, let's go over this trend reversal trade that I got into this morning on the Japanese yen. Let's go over it step by step, and I will show you how TrendCloud alerted me to this trade and how I actually entered the trade. So let's go out to the 4-hour chart on the Japanese yen. And the first thing that's very easy to notice is that the trend is extended. As you know, there's 5 waves in an average trend. Once we hit 6, 7, 8, and then made another retest into this area, I said that's good enough for me. I'm going to start looking for some entry points. So at this point in time, 4-hour chart, the trend is down. And as you can see, this candle right here has produced an upward cycle, an upward momentum. That's the first piece of the puzzle, or I should say second piece of the puzzle, right? First piece, extended trend. Second piece of the puzzle, the reversal in momentum. So we're actually in a corrective move on an extended trend. And in a corrective move, what does price want to do in an extended trend? It wants to go and break above the 50 simple right there. Okay. So that is what price wants to do. So I have to start really getting tight with the stop all the way up here. So the goal is to try and get somewhere up here. Okay, and that would be around 575 bucks. So maybe we'll hit that marker by tomorrow. What we don't want to happen is this, right? Pulling back into TrendCloud and then another move down. Now that's very possible. That could happen. However, we are going to assume that this is the end of the trend because it's extended. And we have now started that upward movement in the cycle and also on momentum. So all on the high time frame, we are looking at capturing the move up. Okay. Let's go down to the 1-hour chart. Okay. 1-hour chart here. Downtrend. Okay. And on the 1-hour chart, we were also cycling up at the time when we got into the trade, right? So we had the cycle, we had that corrective move on up. We didn't have momentum yet though, okay? So 1-hour chart, we only had the cycle indicator. 15-minute chart, let's go over to the 15-minute. On the 15-minute chart, we had the move cycling up, and we had the crossover. Okay, so we ended up getting a crossover, and we also dropped down even further. We had taken the trade right here. Okay, so we started getting TrendCloud signals here. We had a crossover on the 5-minute as well, and we broke structure. Okay, so take a look. Here is the lowest point, right? From here to here, lowest point. Let's make that black. Okay, we pulled up, made a higher low, right? Here's your low. So we made a higher low and kind of just went sideways, right? Made another higher low, boom, right there, broke structure. Okay, so that was telling me that that's the pattern that we look for, right? And we've all seen this pattern, right? This sort of like ascending triangle here. You can even draw it like this, right? Sideways, break of structure on that 5-minute chart. Beautiful. Okay, so what did I do? I didn't get in yet. I waited for the pullback, and we had created this second wave, right? Here's 1 pullback, 2, bunch of TrendCloud signals. I said, that's it. Let's jump in there. So I took the trade right at the break of structure as this thing was making momentum. And it did blast all the way up to here. And now we've gone sideways, getting another trend cloud signal. So hopefully we will maintain that direction. Okay, this would be number 4. We make that 5th wave. Candles start to go turn ice blue in that 5th wave, right? Okay, and then we have to get tight with our stop. All right, so we still have some room to run here, but that was the mechanism, okay, if you will, for getting into this trade, this trend reversal trade. So the only thing we had going against us was middle time frame trend and momentum, but high time frame extended trend, right? If you see an extended trend on the highest time frame, that usually does mean trend reversal on your lower time frame. So we saw it here on the 15 and the 5, and we're heading towards making another trend reversal on the 1 hour, but you will always see trend reversal happen first on the lowest time frames, right? Lowest time frames first, 15 and 5. That's where you're going to see the crossover take place first. Then we should start seeing it here on the 1 hour chart. And once we break above that positive 100, boy, look out, this thing, we're going to have a really nice move to the upside. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. If you want to have the trade plan on TradingView, it is located under my profile here. You can just go to my profile on TradingView, click onto that link, or you can go to my YouTube channel, and I have the link on there as well. Sign up and like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.